kapatid, tayo ay nagagalak na magkatipon-tipon sa pagdiriwang na ito para sa mga sanggol na maging kaanib ng ating sambayanang Kristiyano.
Keep up with the season, roll with it. It's what
Si Riker naman came after 2 years, which is planado din na gusto namin magka-baby after 2 years masundan, at binigyan naman sa agad-agad.
keeping you close, 'cause now you're in my head again. This time I'll remember it. Let's go again. All for jumping in. Feels just like I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm breathing in it. Don't need to think about it. Yeah, I'm breathing in it.
Riker brings now a indicated door. Spirit is sad. Amen.
Turned around and look who's laughing. Now I'm doing fine.
Luckily, si Riley, binigay siya. Honeymoon baby siya. So, hindi kami nahirapan, walang anything. So, talagang feeling blessed talaga kami when she came to our life.
After wedding, after a month, so binayaan kami ng Angel,
Yeah.
Riley.
We put God in the center of our plan. And hindi naman siya nagkakamali every time na meron kaming hilingin sa kanya, especially for the growth of our family, naibibigay naman siya agad-agad. So, we couldn't ask for more nga yung sinasabi nila. Kasi talagang we're fully blessed. Di man financially, di man with other things, but we're fully blessed sa family.
Or paunahan lang makapagdala kay Kuya Mark na Polo Red na lipstick.
I'm pretty sure babalikan niyo itong mga videos na ito. We did all our best to give the best for the two of you. Financially, everything, we're struggling. Pero lahat pinipilit namin maibigay sa inyo. Ang most important sa amin ni Mommy at Daddy is yung experience na nakukuha ninyo. Lumaki kayo ng kasama yung Mommy at Daddy nyo. Ito, blessed na blessed kayo at i-treasure nyo yung family natin. Kasi yun yung maibibigay namin, yung support and pag-aalaga ni Mommy at ni Daddy.
'Cause everything's gonna be okay. 'Cause I see daylight breaking, a new morning.
Happy birthday, Riker and Riley! Love you!
We love you.
Hello, sun, good morning, morning. 'Cause I know it's a brand new day. I just got a feeling the rest of my life starts today.
Hello, kids! Okay, sige na, magpakilala ka na. Kaya ako eh. Okay, sino pumatay kay Magellan? Hindi ako baka ikaw. Ano ang pambansang hayop ng Pilipinas? Ikaw, hindi.
Yesterday is gone. I know it
Super
won't
thank you talaga kasi God is so good.
change. The sky has opened up. There's
Tayo
coffee.
tanda ng liwanag ni Kristo na tinanggap ng mga bagong binyag. Sa tulong ng mga magulang, ninong at ninang, naway mag-alat ito sa kanilang puso at diwa hanggang sa pagbabalik ni Kristo, ating Panginoon.
Amen.
Hello, sun, good morning, morning. 'Cause I know it's a brand new day. I just got a feeling the rest of my life starts today.
Hi, Mikey. Happy birthday. Riker, happy birthday din. I love you.
love you so much. And ang gagawin namin ni Daddy lahat para mabigay namin yung magandang future para sa inyo. We love you, Riker and Riley.
Thank you for coming. Enjoy the party.
Riley, you will always be my baby princess. Kahit lumaki ka na. And Riker, higitan mo si Daddy. Kasi yun lang yung gustong ng isang ama sa anak niya. Mahigitan mo yung mga nagawa ni Daddy. Daddy's not the best. You'll figure that out soon. Pero I couldn't ask for anything except galingan mo, mas higitan mo yung mga nagawa ni Daddy. That's it. I love you, Riker. I love you, Riley.
It starts today.